Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and 2 of them stop beating when they swim? Or that a sloth's leisurely pace is actually its secret to survival? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into 10 incredible animal facts that will leave you amazed and rethinking everything you thought you knew about the animal kingdom. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating wonders of our world. Animals are all around us, yet they harbor some of the most extraordinary secrets. From the skies to the seas and even in your backyard, these creatures have astonishing traits that defy logic. In this video, we're sharing 10 jaw-dropping facts about animals that will blow your mind and deepen your appreciation for the natural world. Get ready to learn, laugh, and be wowed. Number 1. Glowing jellyfish. Turritopsis dohrnii is a species of small, physiologically immortal jellyfish that is also referred to as the immortal jellyfish. They are found in a variety of tropical environments throughout the world's oceans. They are also among the few animals that can mature entirely backwards through their life cycle, much like a frog can age back into a tadpole or a butterfly may age reverse into a caterpillar. In essence, the deep version of Benjamin Button. This implies that they have no set lifespan and, theoretically, might live indefinitely if they repeatedly return to their former conditions. That being said, it only occurs when the jellyfish is severely stressed, such as when it is starved or injured. Number 2. Dogs sniffing the grass. The area of a dog's brain that detects different smells is around 40 times larger than in humans. This means that they pick up on way more scents than we do. That's why they make such good sniffer dogs. Some dogs have such a keen sense of smell they can even sniff out medical problems. There have been many cases where a dog has smelt an impending seizure or when their owners need more medication. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, much stronger than humans. While a human nose contains about 5 million olfactory receptors, a dog's nose can have anywhere between 125 million to 300 million, depending on the breed. This heightened sense of smell allows dogs to detect scents that are undetectable to human. When you see a dog sniffing the grass, it's not just about catching a whiff of what's around. Dogs use their sense of smell for a variety of important activities. They can pick up on the scent markers left by other animals, identify changes in their environment, and even find hidden food. This behavior is also linked to their ancestral roots when wild canines needed to sniff out prey and be aware of potential threats. In fact, dogs have an additional olfactory tool called the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ, which helps them detect pheromones. This organ plays a crucial role in communication and mating behaviors. Sniffing the grass allows dogs to gather a wealth of information about their surroundings and the other animals that have been in the area. Number 3. Koala's hand holding a tree branch. At first glance, it might not seem that koalas have a lot in common with us. But if you inspect their hands, they actually have fingerprints that are just like ours. In fact, they're so similar that in Australia there are concerns that koalas can contaminate crime scenes. So all koalas, take note, don't forget to don some gloves before you rob that bank. The tough skin covering these agile hands gives them more traction when climbing and gripping twigs. Eucalyptus trees, which provide the majority of their food, are where koalas spend the majority of their life. They must navigate branches to obtain the tastiest leaves because they consume 1 to 1.5 pounds of eucalyptus leaves per day. Number 4. 2 elephants huddled close together. The reason why is quite simple, really. They don't need to. Most animals that have evolved to jump, think kangaroos, frogs, or monkeys, have only learned to do so to evade predators. Whereas elephants can keep themselves safe in other ways, namely their huge size, strong tusks, and protection from their large social groups. And, not so shockingly, it would be quite hard for an elephant to get off the ground. In fact, it's completely impossible for them to do so. This is because their bones and joints all face downwards, which means they can't spring off the ground. Number 5. Sloth hanging from tree. As you might have guessed, everything sloths do is slow. Eating is no exception. Humans take between 12 to 14 hours to digest and eliminate waste, but when it comes to sloths, the whole process can take up to a leisurely 30 days. Sloths have a unique diet that consists primarily of low-nutrient leaves, which are fermented in their multi-chambered stomach, allowing them to extract the necessary nutrients over a lengthy digestion process that can take up to a month. One of their most amazing adaptations is the specialized tendons in their hands and feet that lock into place, allowing them to hang effortlessly without expending much energy. This is crucial for their survival as sloths move very slowly, traveling only about 41 yards per day on average. Number 6. Ghost crab on beach. A crab's claw can be quite intimidating to predators, rivals, and their prey. But for the ghost crab, that's not enough. That's why they often grow with their enemies. When you think of growling, you probably think of dogs, lions, or other ferocious beasts. Either way, you probably wouldn't associate it with crabs that have teeth in their tummies. These teeth aren't just used for growling though. They're located in the stomach, and they rub against each other to grind up food. These crabs are opportunistic feeders, consuming a variety of food sources including algae, detritus, insects, and even small animals. They use their strong pincers to capture and manipulate food. Ghost crabs are also known for their burrowing behavior, creating deep burrows in the sand where they take refuge during the day and to escape the heat. Number 7. Flock of flamingos standing in water. The phrase "you are what you eat" couldn't be more true for flamingos. Their vibrant pink color come from the algae and shrimp they eat. In reality, their feathers are actually light gray or white. It's a similar story with polar bears. Their fur is translucent and only appears white because it reflects the snow and ice around them. Beneath it all, they actually have jet black skin. Number 8. A tiger running in a lake. Speaking of skin, a tiger's one is striped in the same way their fur is. And just like our fingertips, a tiger's stripes are unique to each one. The same is true for domesticated cats. Some pattern cats like tabbies, tortoiseshells, and calicos have skin that's just a lighter shade of their hair color. Number 9. Otters holding hands. Animal experts believe that otters have a whopping 1 million hairs on every square inch of skin. What's more, their fur is made up of 2 layers and is perfectly designed to trap air against their skin, just like a waterproof jacket. While we're on the subject of otters, have you ever seen a photo of them holding hands? It's utterly adorable. Holding hands protects them from predators and stops them drifting apart. Otters have a high social function, and they also have a fear of losing family members and partners while they're asleep. Number 10. Octopus with large head. We all know that octopuses have 8 tentacles, but did you know that they also have 3 hearts? 2 of them are used to carry blood to the gills, and the third brings blood to the rest of their body. If that wasn't enough, they also have 9 brains. That's probably why they're so intelligent. And that you have it minus 10 incredible animal facts that showcase just how extraordinary our planet's creatures really are. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure into the fascinating world of nature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.